Hello and welcome to this overview of Spin Studio. I'm going to walk you through the process of using Spin Studio and reviewing your content and exporting assets to Steam. So let's get started. So I'm going to switch first to the uploader. I've already logged into my account and you can see in the Spin Upload tool I have loaded on my Mac here. I can drag files to start uploading the process. So I'm going to go ahead and click some files, drag them in. These are all MP4 files, and as you see, the app is starting up and it's preparing each of the files for upload to the cloud. And each one of these is being actually segmented and prepared for ingest into your particular account. So that's what's happening within the application. So we're going to watch this go for a little bit. We've got about 2 gigs of assets to upload to the cloud. So we have 3 of our 4 assets uploaded. So let's switch to the Spin Studio interface and see how those assets appear in the web view. So here I've already logged in and I don't have any experiences created. So that's me. Let's go to the Assets tab here. So when I load this, you'll see that the videos that have already been uploaded are ready to review and add to an experience. Now in the system, you have basically 2 operating areas, the assets and experiences. To get the uploader, you go to the Upload Assets tab and then download it for your PC or Mac. So what can I do with these videos? Well, at this point, not much in the assets, but we're planning on other features here in the future. Stay tuned there. But in experiences is where all the action happens. So let's switch to experiences. So as you can see, I don't have an experience created yet. So I want to add one so I can share some VR content with my audience. So let me create an experience. It's called Demo. And you see that I can upload some content or add some videos. So let's add some videos. Here I get a browser where it shows me my videos that I've already put into my Assets tab. So let's add a couple of these. I'll add these 2. Say Add. Okay, now that I've done that, I have a couple of items in here, but it still shows me a video tag, and all I see is that there's a VR type, what the projection is, that'll be relevant in a minute, whether this is stereo or mono content, the title for this content, and then some other metadata related to this video. So that's all good, but what I want to do is actually preview and export this to Steam. So to do that, I need to render these videos. So let's click the render button. In this case, we can use our tiled format called a frustum or equirectangular. These are the projection types. So I'm going to choose equirectangular and say Start. So for each one of these, I'm going to have to create a new video file. So this starts up our pipeline in the cloud to take these 2 videos that I've uploaded and encode them for streaming purposes. So these will now be available to preview on the web or to preview and distribute through Steam. Okay, so you can see that once we've got videos encoded, the overlays change on the particular item that I select. So here, if I select the items, I now see that the VR type is our open projection format, and we've created an equirectangular video. The other video is still continuing rendering in the background. Now, I can also take this, and since I've encoded it, I can actually begin playback inside of our web player. So this is a quick way to review this video in 360. The video starts up, and I'm actually streaming this back from the streaming service right now. So this is coming to me from our system, and I can actually flip this around and look at it in a full equirect or in a projected view. And I have various quality controls, and I can skip forward in time, etc. So that's our web player. Now, once this is finished, I can also do other actions on it, and you don't need to wait or sit around for the system to finish every detail. So I can select this item, and you see I have an export control up here at the top. And you notice I have a video named Flavor Blue MP4, and I want to connect to Steam. So let's go ahead and connect to Steam. And here I'm going to connect to my account. And then I want to allow Spin Studio to use access to my Steam account. And now you see that I'm on the system. I have access to my Steam video list, and I have videos, and I can start the export to Steam. So I'm going to skip that for now, but you can see that once you've authenticated, basically you have access to your Steam video list, and you can choose your export. This is essentially the app ID that you've already gotten from Steam as a validated Steam publisher. And any app IDs that the Steam system has created for you will appear in this menu. So that's the basics of using the system. You can see in the background our other file has already finished. I can bring that up in the web view as well. And that will play and stream directly from our Spin service as well. So all that is working today within Spin Studio. I welcome you to try it out.